Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. Today I will share two cards using one of the new stencils from Trinity stamps called Pumpkinheads, I believe. I will have it listed down below. I will also use one of these beautiful scripty fonts that also covers perfectly on a slimline card. And I will start off by using only the faces on this in this stencil, and you can see I'm using some embellishment mousse here, and I will not clean this off before I go ahead and do the next row. And this will cover my front panel of my slimline card. At the beginning here I thought I was going to do this a one-layer card, so you can see I've scored a base here, but I decided against it and I will cut another panel instead. All the measurements you can see on screen right now, and I also cut that down to fit perfectly on top of this. I will leave that card alone for a bit and I will create our second card. For this one I use the layered pumpkins here, and I will use a combination of orange, green and teal blue. And this is a combination, or actually I should say that this project from beginning to ending was a bit of a struggle for me. It feels like I have changed my style of creating cards a lot when it comes to fall and we come into Halloween and everything, because you will see in this project, and I also have another one that will come up soon, where I'm going really dark and using a lot of ink splatters, and I'm using like a black border around it, making it all, I would say grungy, but that's maybe a wrong word for it, but a little bit more dark and scary. So I personally really like this, but I feel always when I'm trying to recreate this on a card that I don't like the result. But for this project and for this one that I talked about previously that will come up in a couple of weeks, I really enjoyed it. So you can see these pumpkins has 3 layers to it, and I just went over it with the 2 first layers were the same color, and then I went in with the second one. For my colors I used Lawn Fawn, if I didn't say that, and that was just some ink cubes that I have in my stash and really enjoy using, but you can always use whatever you have. And then I had some mistakes and I will cover them up. You can see I went in really heavy on the blue one, but I will fix it in a second here. And then I ended up masking off all the other faces here because I was afraid to get smears all over the place when I went in with the black one. So I just picked a couple of faces that I thought were exciting to use, or I thought had a cute expression. So you can see here I'm going around filling in all my pumpkins here, and you can see I'm not cleaning off my stencil or anything, so this went really fast. I think I have sped it up 4 times, so it's a lot faster than it went in reality, but not that bad. So here the panel is, and I went in with a lot of splatters, and then I decided that I needed to darken this panel to make it a little bit more scary and Halloweenish with a black, the same black that we use for the heads. So here I picked out 3 of my specialty papers that I have in my stash, and these are from Nuvo, and I went with the purple one. I thought that would look, it's mirror cardstock, so I think that would look really cute or Halloweenish, complementary to the other colors that we used for this project. And I adhered it on top of some vellum, because this die set also have a shadow, so I really like that when sentiments have a shadow as well. And I just raised this up with some foam tape on top of our gray panel. And for our slimline off camera I went in with some white splatters just to coordinate with the other card that we created that had a lot of more splatters, and this beautiful large die also from Trinity stamps. All the products, I think I mentioned it before, will be listed down below in the description box. As well as for the other card I popped this up with some dimension, and I used some sugar bold, I think, purple hearts here. They will also be listed down below. And that finished off our projects for today. If you like these ones, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. I read every comment and I am trying to respond to as many as I can. And I'm so grateful for everyone who are leaving messages and liking the projects that I am creating. So until next time, have a great day. Bye!